So one of my favorite cuisines is Indian cuisine, and one of my favorite all-time dishes is chicken tikka masala. So obviously, can't eat the chicken. And the challenge with Indian food, it's really great for vegetarians because they don't eat a lot of meat typically in that culture. However, there is a lot of dairy involved. There's pretty much milk and everything. And so one of the things that you have to have with tikka masala is you've got to have naan bread to soak up all that amazing sauce. So I'm going to show you a really cool, easy, all plant-based version of naan bread. That's what I'm rolling out right now. This dough is super simple. There's no dairy in it whatsoever. I'm going to use my plant-based milk. It's really simple. Some flour. I use whole wheat flour. You can use white flour. I like to try to stay away from the all white flour sometimes. And I'm just going to roll this out. This is so simple, and you don't even bake it. You throw it in the pan and cook it. I'm going to show you in a second. And then to make the chicken tikka masala, it's super simple. I use my plant-based chicken. There's a yogurt mixture. You want to marinate it with all these good, delicious, exotic spices, Indian spices. You marinate the chicken, you let it sit for a little bit. Then you saute that down in the pan. Then you make your tikka masala sauce. Again, we're going to use the plant-based milk. Then you mix that all together, and then you top it with some basmati rice. Now, again, there are certain things that are easier to buy from the store, certain things that are easier to make. This naan bread I like to make because it's really hard to find naan bread that doesn't have milk in it, almost impossible, but it's so simple. And then again, this rice comes in these little bags. It's organic. You pop it in the microwave for 90 seconds. You're done. Keep it simple, right? So once I do that, check out this naan bread. Look how great it looks. I'm just going to cook it down in a pan just a little bit. It's going to get nice and bubbly. Roll out real thin. I'm going to brush it with some vegan butter and garlic. Ooh, smells so good. We're going to top that with a little parsley too. You can use whatever fresh herbs you want. That's going to be my naan bread to soak up all of this amazing, delicious tikka masala sauce. Look at that, how rich, how creamy. It's a tomato base, got some cream in there, really exotic spices. Oh, it smells so good. It's my favorite thing ever. Love it, and it's so easy to make. Don't be intimidated by the recipe. There are a lot of ingredients, but it's really simple to follow. And again, for those of you that know, plant-based is the way to go.